It's 2026. Drafting the perfect follow-up email or getting up to speed on the latest competitive intel before their call shouldn't take 30 minutes of digging out of a rep's busy day. Introducing Spekit 3.0, your rep acceleration platform designed to accelerate go-to-market readiness, increase revenue velocity, and drive rep efficiency. First, meet Sidekick, your rep's always-on AI sales coach that helps them work faster and close more deals from any tool. Sidekick brings your critical deal context like Salesforce or call insights to you so you can work faster. It also uses live context from the tool you're in, plus the context from your deal to recommend best actions. Or you can ask a question, draft messaging, or even do research on your account with Google in Sidekick chat. Whether you're ramping on day one or on a new tool, or trying to navigate a complex process, you're not alone. Now you have Sidekick. But that's not all. Spekit helps you stand out in every sales cycle to close more deals. First, you can automatically create on-brand deal rooms for every deal. It's one place where you can manage all content for your deal and collaborate with your team and your buyers. AI also helps you generate tailored content for each deal, grounded in your latest messaging. And the moment a buyer opens your room, you'll know, with real-time alerts and full visibility into how they're engaging. But what makes Spekit coaching so powerful is that it's all grounded in your governed content and learning. Spekit's AI-powered hub centralizes all your content, training, and coaching in one place, with built-in analytics and governance that keeps everything accurate, up-to-date, and connected to outcomes. It's everything your team needs to crush it in this crazy fast environment, and nothing that you don't. Make every rep your best rep with Spekit.